Okay. Um, I want to talk about this. About Pablo. Pablo Sanchez Ababa was take care the business Labs Bakery. Um, was looking for me that Misawa, Japan. And please interrupting me, please. What you want? What you want?
Alik, ano, men?
You know why? I told you that before, yeah? No more bother my phone, no more acting. No more. It's not in my hand. There, you want this one? Here. No more stealing over here. You ask me, okay? Because I give it to you. This one. Here. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna tell something over here about Pablo. Pablo is a billionaire. The target is Pablo is Abraham Lincoln Jr. No die my father. Was take care of the Labs Bakery. And the Don Pablo cigar and other people take over time. No, it's my father Pablo. No more come back. Was the Bahrain and the son was waiting my brother that come back that my father Pablo the Bahrain. No come back. Why? The ticker the business belonged to me and Ares the time. The business was the Kapaholo. My father was take vacation, was the Misawa, Japan, looking Lucia. Why they kidnap me, pretend bros breaking back that pretend my ex-husband, no real to me. They kidnap me, it's been long time, then kidnap me, and they go digger me over here. That think my father Pablo, black here, is a Arab. They take care of the business, and all of a sudden my father stay this room, come back my father. They keep busy, that Monica cat. And the hang up my father is Donna Magalones. You get ready, Donna. I know about you, Donna. You fuck my father Pablo. You follow that Misawa Japan was looking that Lucia. The Labs Bakery. When you hung up my father Pablo, you moving the Labs Bakery that Middle Street. No more Kapaholo. Because you hung up the Pablo. You bring the Pablo where Church Mary. Now, Duna, Jason, handsome, get ready that Lucia. I'm not scared of you because I got power to challenge you. You a policeman, but you beat up God. You beat up bros the time. Support that Duna, that no real, that Lucia, Baba. Now, how much Duna you gave it the Jason handsome to kill Breaking Back and the daughter? $100,000, right? For me, Duna, not that Lucia $100,000. It's the billions they carry that Riapis. I can kill you, Duna, the money dollars that Lucia. I'm not scared of you. You belong Pablo Harrison, the white guy declaiming Sanchez Ababa. You're the one first the time war about the money dollars, the billion over here, Duna. You are fuck a gold digger, the Ababa family. You don't know about me, Donna? All you know, you kidnapped me. You talking your father, Pablo Harrison, the white, that kidnapped that Lucia, bring the white, a gold digger. But no kill it, just a gold digger. Talk to your father. Why no more memory, your father, Pablo White? Lucia carried the billions. Why always that I don't give it to your father, I don't give it to you. You're not real, my sister. You take over the business that I was young the time, Duna, and you claiming queen, Duna, that you're not real queen. You are fuck a whore. Your father, Duna, was a god. Why come out too, Pablo, Duna? Because Pablo, together the business, together run the war, and why you traitor my family, Duna? You're not a real queen, Duna, got the power, Duna. If no more power, no more queen. The queen, Duna, is still billion, Duna. Got the power, Duna, is a fighter, the queen. You're not a fighter. All you do is slave people and hangkap. Oh, you always attack that one, Duna. Now, right now, Duna, How much you pay that Jason Handsome to kill that Reichenbach and the daughter? No, belong to me, the daughter, Donna. Now remember Jason Handsome, you talking to Jonah, that Jonah is not laid Hawaii. The laid Hawaii you talking, it's me. And twice you threatened me and you think I don't speak English, Jason Handsome. Your Jonah, your Dina, dear sister. You kill your sister Dina. Dina Ababa, no real da Ababa, belong to Pablo White and Paola. You kill at the time. You thinking about me that you know already exactly I'm not belong to you, you belong Pablo White. Pablo White take care of that Lucia. I don't give it to Pablo White. And no matter what, no that I give it to Pablo White. Pablo White want me. Why? Want me. Why? Billionaire, this woman always ride horse. Now, remember Donna? The Santa Claus, Donna? Always the Lucia, Donna. Always the money, dollar, the hands, and luck for God. You don't know about me? Now you kidnap me. You bring me to Hawaii. You are gold digger to me. And you take over my triplets. And where you put the poster home. And you claiming Lucia Ababa. If you are real Lucia Ababa, Donna, why you got number, Donna? Back whispers. Die over here before, Donna. Is a cat. Is a cat. The female. Cat female got power from Venus. Together to you again. But you don't have a power. All you do, you locking a registered password and you can do identity theft. You can go landing the room other people. That's all you do. Now, right now, Duna, if you hang up another police, Duna, you mind. I told you that one. I don't pay money dollars the police to hang up you. And I don't talk the people, the killer, to track down you to hang up you. Personal, Duna. You mind, Duna, you Jason, what you done, my ex-husband bros, Reichenbach, the white one. You beat up, you attack the house, and you beat up until die. Big Amisha the time, Reichenbach, and no more memory who beat up the time each other. Because you talking Duna Magallones to beat up the Reichenbach to support, and you finish it. You, Duna, you're not a billionaire, you a fuck a whore. If you're a queen, where is your power, Donna? You don't have power, Donna. You don't have money, dollar. All you do, identity theft. Now, right now, Donna, you hang up my father, Pablo, and that brother, no listen talking about brain. I'm talking about brain, Donna, my father, talking brain, my mother, Mary. 97, they gave it to me. And why? I know already the business, they hide the cat, the downstairs. Why I believing? Because I believing why miracle is Lucia the time. I believing who calling me, the voice, the God, to talk to me, go that downstairs. And I found the box, the full book, Duna, the business, and land, the house. I love her, the clay area. And I was looking pink house, back right here, there, the pink house, and the cave Mary, and the church Mary. A lot of people looking that one, Duna. And me, Duna, I know already. Because the time, Duna, I don't have power. I got power, Duna. First thing first, I have to pass the taste, the God, what talking to me. And who this bother me, the brain, who is this, the power that belong to me, the power before, Duna. This area, Duna, I was over here. You, Duna Magallones, you want to kill me. You get in the doctor. The doctor that I get in, does he know about the Lucia? The time, I want to call the police to pull out the doctor. You said, Donna, the MRI, the result to talk nothing is 100% accurate, the MRI. You get in, Donna. You very clever woman. You very clever woman. And this Dina Kamatsu cat together to you, and you want to kill me, the text? My God, Donna. You don't even know about Lucia. The Lucia you kidnapped before, no more the power. The come back to me, Duna, why I'm a real and belong the God, Duna. Belong the God, Duna, come back the power, Duna, to talk about that.